confused? Oh God, how many hours per day? मैम कितने दिन पढ़ना पड़ेगा? मैम एक दिन में कितने घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए? मैम ये पढ़ता ही नहीं. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Guys, here is the solution. Go watch the whole video. Let's start. Hi guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, I have got a lot of queries. So this video is from your query only. So I've got lots of query that how many hours per day we need to study. Like students, parents do keep on asking me. So yes, here are the solution. In this video, we're gonna cover how many hours you have to study for German every day basis. So this is gonna be super duper interesting and a helpful video for you all. So make sure to subscribe it in case you're looking forward to learn German. Then German Gyan is a one-stop solution for all your queries, online classes, offline classes, teacher training, internship programs, guys, what not. So exam preparation, guys, everything at one-stop solution. So yes, make sure to follow right now, and yes, let's start in the video. Let's go.
How many hours per day are enough for learning German? The golden rule is learn German every day, even if only for 30 minutes. German is a language and not a school subject. You need daily exposures to all the modules, that is, to listening, reading, speaking, writing, vocabulary, and grammar. Think of it like going to the gym. One 5-hour workout on Sunday is less effective than 45 minutes workout every day. Let's first discuss the study routine for school and college students. The recommended time is 2 to 3 hours on daily basis. You can use 30 minutes in the morning. Try to revise vocabulary. That means learn 10 to 15 new words. Revise old flashcards and use Anki or Quizlet, or maybe some other app will work. The idea is to learn the vocabulary. For example, you can learn vocabulary topic wise, like food vocabulary, family vocabulary, or travel vocabulary. Utilize 45 minutes in afternoon. Here you can practice your grammar. Focus on one topic, that is either article, cases, verb conjugation, or sentence structure. After revising the grammar topic, you can do 10 to 15 exercises, and yes, remember, you have to correct your mistakes. And exercises can be fill in the blanks as well as sentence translations depending on your level. 30 minutes in the evening can be used to practice listening. Choose one, either Easy German YouTube or Dewe Nikosweg or German podcast. The goal is to understand the main idea and not every word. So even if you are in A1, you can start listening videos or podcast, because the important thing is that you are listening, you are training your ears to understand the language. 15 minutes in the night can be used for writing. So try to write at least 5 to 10 sentences each day, or start writing short diaries. For example, today I went to college, I studied German for 1 hour. So you can start making easy sentences. But the important thing is that this is your habit. That means you are writing every day or every night 15 minutes. Then comes speaking, which needs at least 30 minutes of your day. And in this time, you can read aloud. That means the more you read, the more you train your tongue to speak German. Then shadow German videos, because that's the only way you can understand the German accent. And talk to your language partner. And the most important thing is don't shy in speaking, because every one of you are learners and definitely you all are going to make mistakes. So here is the student plan. 30 minutes for vocabulary, 45 minutes for grammar, 30 minutes for listening, 15 minutes for writing, 30 minutes for speaking. So that means total of 2 to 2.5 hours per day. Now let's discuss study plan for working professionals, and the recommended time is 45 minutes to 1.5 hours every day. So you can use 20 to 30 minutes of your life during commute. At that time you can do passive listening. That means you need to start listening German podcast, German news, or daily learning German. Even if you understand only 30%, then that is fine, but keep listening. Then you can use 10 minutes of your lunch break for revising vocabulary. Try to revise 10 words and 5 phrases, and again the vocabulary can be according to topic. For example, at work at the supermarket or daily routine. 30 minutes in the evening. This 30 minutes you can use to revise grammar and do exercises. So again, choose one topic only. For example, Monday you can do verb conjugation, Tuesday you can understand accusative case, and Wednesday you can understand dative case. And remember, small daily progress wins. So instead of learning 2 topics or 5 topics in a day, just revise one topic each day, and the important thing is after revising you are doing the exercise. Then before going to sleep, try to get 10 to 15 minutes for reading. In this 15 minutes you can read some stories according to your level. That means if you are in A1 or A2 level, then you can go for stories, but if you are a B1 or B2 level learner, then go for German news. And remember, reading is very important. Even one page daily helps. Then comes the important part, which is the speaking practice. For that you need to give at least 15 to 20 minutes, and it's okay if you cannot give this time on the daily basis. 3 times in a week would also work. But in those 15 to 20 minutes you need to start talk, you need to record yourself, and again you need to speak or talk with your exchange partner or with your language partner. So the focus should be on speaking. Doesn't matter if you are saying something wrong. Let's just look at the working professional daily plan. So 20 minutes for podcast during commute, 10 minutes vocabulary during lunch, 30 minutes for grammar, 15 minutes for reading, 15 minutes for speaking. That is 1 to 1.5 hours per day. Apart from following the timetable, there are some activities which you should do on the daily basis. The first one is listen every day. That means at least 15 minutes. For example, you can go for some podcasts, YouTube videos, or German songs. By listening, you can improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, understanding, and this will help you out in fetching good marks in your exam. Next thing is learn vocabulary every day. Try to learn 10 words for A1, 10 to 15 words per day for A2, and 15 to 20 words per day for B1. But remember, the vocabulary should be according to topic wise. Don't learn some random words, otherwise you will definitely forget those. Then you again need to speak every day, even alone. That means this should not be the excuse that you are alone and you don't have anyone to speak. And for speaking, you can just take some random topic. For example, describe your own room, talk about your day, or read aloud. Read every day. You can start with short stories, children's text, or easy news. But you should read something. And if you are following some textbook, then read one passage every day. And you have to write every day. That means even if you are writing 5 to 10 sentences, then that is fine. And you can take any topic. For example, my family, my hobbies, my weekend, or my city. The idea is that you are writing something, and it can be anything. Here are some common mistakes which usually students do. The first one is only studying grammar. That means you don't have to focus on grammar. There should be other things or the other activities also which you need to do. Second thing, learning 100 words and forgetting them. That means if you are learning some random words, you are definitely going to forget them. Instead of that, start learning vocabulary topic wise. Then watching German videos without paying attention. That means if your trainer has asked you to watch videos and you are just watching without paying attention, without making any notes, then that is just waste of time. Watching a video means you are understanding something, you are getting some vocabulary, some sentence structure, you are having some doubt. And the last one, studying 5 hours one day and nothing for the next 6 days. That is not going to be effective. You need to learn language each and every day.
So guys, how was this video? I hope now you are having a very clear picture that how many hours you need to give per day to German language. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German. German Gyan. Take care.